Hey, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm in collab with Gorgeous Hair, and this hair is it's blowing me away right now. I cannot believe this is synthetic. This is crazy. Like, let's get into it. This is the Salon Blowout Natural Black Body Wave Wig, and it's 24 inches, so it's good and long. And it is a part of the premium fiber lace collection that Gorgeous has, and Gorgeous really did that. I really believe that this hair is super pretty. You can see that it's kind of shiny. Of course, synthetic wigs are shiny, so I'm going to use some dry shampoo when I style this wig. But let's get into these curls right quick, okay? I love some bouncy curls. I feel like this wig is great for beginners because you don't have to do with a lot of lace. This is a T-part wig, so you don't have to go and do too much. Only thing you need to do is pluck the lace to make it look more natural. So let's get to it. Since there's not a lot of lace, I'm not going to worry about a lot of plucking because you don't want the seams of the wig to show. You don't want to start showing the wefts of the hair, all right? So you just have to be very mindful of that, but I only did 2 sections. So I started off with the first section right there, and I'm just showing you guys how I just pluck sporadically. I don't want to pluck too much in one space and have a bald spot. I just go and pluck just to thin it out just a little bit. Can't even lie to you. Got too much pride for you. Gotta stay safe in these streets don't play favorites though. I'm not afraid of it though. God is okay with me, so life for that shit. I feel that because my tweezers are so sharp and pointy at the end, it makes it so much easier to grip the strands of hair, because sometimes when I use tweezers that are not pointy, I feel like it's harder for me to pluck. Like, this makes it so much easier, and also I don't pull out too much hair. So all the details and the links to this hair will be in the description box below, so please check that out. To save some time, I actually plucked most of the left side off of camera, but I still want to show you guys just the technique of how I pluck. So you can see right there, that's enough plucking for a T-part wig. Now I am using Camera Dry Shampoo. I love the smell of this. I cannot get enough of this one. Okay, because sometimes dry shampoo smells kind of weird, but I really like the smell of this one, and it does a great job. Make sure that you are a good distance away, so you won't have a white overcast on the hair. You do not want your hair to be looking like it's gray. But then I just go and I distribute the product evenly with using my wide tooth comb, and I'm combing out these curls, and look at this. If you like, you can curl these shorter hairs on the back. Just use a low heat setting. I went ahead and put the wig on, and I can tell it's probably a good medium-sized cap, and it fits snug on my head, so it's perfect. I like to cut my lace in 4 sections. I feel like it makes it so much easier for me. Make sure to cut as close to the hairline as you can. I also want to point out that because I have so much lighting, that it may look like the wig is still super shiny, but in person, best believe, it looks very natural. And that's what I love so much about this wig, because it really does look like a natural blowout. Like, you wouldn't even think this wig is synthetic. So this wig has adjustable straps, but it doesn't have a band. So yes, I will be melting this wig down. I'm using the Wonder Lace Bond by Even, and this is an adhesive spray, and it's the Extreme Firm Hold. And so far, I have been loving this product. I spray about 2 layers. So I go in with the first layer and then I use my blow dryer and dry it just a little bit. And then after that, I do a second layer because I do not want this wig to move at all. I want this to be stuck. I love that synthetic wigs are affordable, but also it's perfect for a photo shoot or anything you're trying to do for the day. If you have an event, you don't have to worry about going and curl your hair. It's already curled, it's ready to go. You just need to comb it out and you have the perfect look. So I like to blow dry until I feel that it's tacky, and once it starts getting tacky, that's when I'm like, let me hurry up and lay this down, okay? You have to lay it right away, because if not, it won't be tacky anymore, and then it'll be hard. You have to do it all over again. I really like to add extra pressure with the end of my comb because sometimes you have lace that lifts just a little bit and you just have to make sure you use that comb before you tie it down. So I leave my hair tied down for about 5 minutes or so, and now I'm just combing out these curls because baby, we need the volume, okay? We want extra volume. And it's easy to use a wide tooth comb. Don't use a small comb, okay? Because you do not want to mess those curls up. So I noticed that some of the lace was lifting just a little bit. I just sprayed the end of the comb and I just put it right there in that spot. But be careful though, because if you add too much, you're going to be really crusty and we hate that, all right? Because then you have to use some oil. But now I'm just straightening up my part. This is the Fit Me powder in the shade 310, and I'm using it in my part to make it look natural. I want this to look like my scalp. I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I keep... So I decided that I wanted to add just a little bit of baby hair. So I'm going to part the front just to have a couple of pieces down, and I'm gonna cut them and I'm gonna make some baby hair, guys. Like, I don't want to overkill it, but just a little something. I feel like it needs a little something to frame my face. I'm cutting these baby hairs at an angle, and then I'm going to use my True Match Go Glueless and I'm going to lay them down, okay? I do not want them to move at all. Like, it's so hard sometimes to get synthetic baby hairs to lay down. I don't know what it is, but this product works pretty well for me. We love a little swoop swoop action, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do both sides, and yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. I feel like just have to use a little bit of product, and I already have makeup on. I just hate when my makeup smears and gets all in it, so be careful about that. Adding just a little bit more Fit Me powder, and yeah, we're almost done. I'm using more Go Glueless because I like to hike my hair up in the front. I feel like I want it off my face so it won't be flat. I just love it because it really looks good when you're trying to have that extra volume. One thing I want to point out about synthetic hair, especially long hair, is that you have to be careful with the ends because they tangle so easily and you're going to have some shedding, so be prepared for that. Thanks so much for watching. We are now done. Okay, so I really like synthetic hair because it's so much easier to accomplish the style because it's already ready to go. So just make sure you avoid that water, girl, because you do not want this hair tangling up on you. But other than that, it's beautiful. It looks natural. It has so much bounce and volume. I just love it. I mean, what more can I say? It's just giving. And of course, I gotta get a selfie, okay?